From pasta to a very intense week in entertainment and sports, let's see what made the Intense 5.
Number 5.
What a way them nearly kill off R. Kelly in prison. So it looks as if he got an overdose of meds while in solitary confinement and had to be rushed to the hospital. Now his lawyers are requesting that he be moved out of the prison to home confinement because they believe he's the target of a murder plot.
Number 4.
We will clap for Bolt every time. He changed track and field forever. Now he's officially a Guinness World Record icon. From triple Olympic golds to holding both sprint records, nobody does it like the fastest man alive. Big up the legend.
Number 3.
KFC's 50th anniversary had Jamaica in absolute chaos. From 5 a.m. crowds to traffic lockdowns, the freeness frenzy was real. Lines on top of lines. We need to know what the Colonel put in that chicken. Big up KFC on 50 years, but for sanity's sake, don't do that again.
Number 2.
It's not entertainment, but it's festive. 2 of our top field athletes have switched allegiance to Turkey, and we hear more will be joining. The Turkey government have promised US $500,000 signing bonus and lots more perks. Kinda sad still. And finally holding the
Number 1.
spot this week, watch how Khalid assembled the Dancehall Avengers for a track. I'm sure it will be fire. Bounty, Mavado, Vibes, and Buju. I can't wait to hear that. When I did see when Bounty see Mavado, it was so sweet. Good job, Khalid. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. If you follow our IG page, you'll see lots more intensity. Up next, Rani Rasta City with Soon Forward.